For today's video, ay kita nyo naman ay nasa harapan ko ay Start Survey. Yeah, kasi yun yung lalaroin natin. Ngayon, tas lang napapanood ko din sa YouTube na nakatakot daw to. Ako pa ba natatakot dito sa stupid game na yan? Kutat. See? Yeah, let's go. Science sa man. Wait, na-kuryente ako. Okay. So guys, kaya start na natin to. Let's go. Okay, yung unang question. Are you having a nice day? Yes. Kasi suspended yung klase. Dahil walang pasok, you know. Do you have responsible? Meron din. Look around for a moment. Okay, that's me. Ay, nakuryente ako. Tapos yung ilaw ko. Okay. Hello? Oh, yes. Yeah. Di ako nagulat dahil doon. Sobrang ingay yung tenga ko. Kaya, hinaan ko lang. Kita nyo ya, hininaan ko. Yan. Have you ever felt like there was somebody in your room? Ano yan? Ha? Ano yan? Kita mo ba yan? Okay. Kaya siyempre, no? Ako? Do you find yourself questioning your existence? No, I'm not. Do you believe there's a God? Yeah, man. Amen. Andyan yung God. Are you scared of darkness? Darkness pa ba? Alam niyo ba yung darkness? Scared of me? No. Are you answering this question out of free will? Yes, sir. Are you certain? Di ko alam yung basta no. Kahit alin. You sure this answer really reflects you? Yes, I guess. You are afraid that you might change? No. I will not change. You don't know if this is for your better. What my better? Anong better, guys? Anong mas pwede sa akin? Okay? Anong mas pwede pa sa akin? Okay. Kukontinue na daw, guys. Yes, sir. Have you ever had a dream that felt so real it was hard to discuss in from okay, yes, sir. Do you have any phobias? No, di ko lang alam. Okay. Do you have felt control in your room? No, cause my body is laying down there. Tapos ako nandito, kaya no, I'm not. If the light went out, would you be scared? Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi ako takot sa darkness, diba? Yung darkness yung takot sa akin, kaya yes. Can you turn on the light now? I'm not scared, but turn on the light now. But may bumukas na pinto. Di ko lang kung sino yun. Have you... Yes? Nakabukas ba to kanina? Di ko na alam kung nakabukas ba to hindi. Nakabukas ba to? Ba't nakabukas yan? Yung tao dyan? What the hell? Have you cleared your desk? Okay, hindi. Ano pa ba? Okay, wala na. Huh? 12:50? Tingnan ko sa clock ko. Okay, 12:50. What the hell? Open the folder on your desk. Ano naman nasa loob na to? Jump scared, no? Pero hindi ako magugulat yan. Ano to, ha? Ano yan, ha? Is that true? Okay, pag sinabi ko ata no, paano yung pakabas? Okay, basta. Yes, paano di nila, paano niya alam na nasa Philippines ako nakatira? Look at that. You are from Philippines. How's that even possible? Are you looking at my phone? Pag tulog ako, you have enemy? Yeah, sa school meron. Joke lang, guys. Pero wag yan maganda. Are you playing? Oh, this is getting weird. Not gonna lie. Ba't nga alam? O baka inaan niya lang. Offense about that? Yes, sir. If you suddenly went missing, would Anybody come looking for you? Yes. Bakit ako pa ba? Kapugian ko hindi ako hanapin ni crush. Ay. Are you alone? Yes, I'm alone. Pero ito, kasama siya. Did you check your room? Huh, yun. Akala ko down lang pala. Yes, na-check ko na guys. Na-check ko na, di ba? Do you believe I live in... yes. Kasi, yeah. Do you accept me wait. No. No. Huh, who's watching me? Who's watching me? You elephant. You understand? No. I don't want to. If you scream, bro. Siyempre may maririnig. Oo nga, pag may narinig akong gunshot, tago na ako sa ilalim ng mundo. Huh? Wait, tingnan natin. Wala naman, boss. Oh, just freaking... What the freezing is that? No. Ano yun? Okay, relax. Oh my god. Diba sabi sa inyo, diba hindi nakatakot? Nagulak. Ay, nagulak tuloy. Nagulat. Yeah. Are you feeling real? Yeah. I'm feeling like that. Did you cry today? No, ba't ako magka-cry? Mag-cry lang ako. Pag hindi today. Okay? Basta hindi ako magka-cry. Babies never cry. Huh? I've just seen the... Okay, come on now. Bakit? Okay. Oop. Oh, there's no one here. Wishing. Oh, pick up ako nito. What the? Put it in the trash. Wala naman eh. No? Wala naman dito ah. Bakit nga sinabing ganun? Exterminate. To live, yes. Man. Huh! What are you looking at me? Look at him. Nakagulat ka. Sabi, have you ever felt someone watching you? Yes. Look at that. Huh! Nawala siya. Nawala. Oh. Lumapit na kayo, please. Lumapit. Oh. Silent to. Guys. Do you know who are you that? Yeah, I'm Bacon Team. I'm Bacon Team. Do you know what is happening right now? This is happening. Yes. I'm getting scared. I don't know what guess mean. Yeah. Alam ko dahil na jump-scare din ako, parang hindi nakaka-jump-scare. Are you ever heard strange or picking my house at night? Yes. Narinig ko guys, kagaya kagabi, mga pusa naglalaban. No, hindi pa ako naganya at ayoko. Pag nangyayari sa akin yan, wala na. Game over na. If you were told the truth about your existence, would you deny? Or better answer, no. I guess yes. Bacon Team. Okay, baka nakita na nila dahil yung Bacon Team ko. Look at that. Nakita nyo lang. Yes. Okay. Oh. Don't think. Okay. Don't know. Wag. Then I ask, is really you answering? Try ko nga mag-no. No. I've been obsessed in your... Oo. Ano mangyayari? Mamatay na ako. They don't only mission. At least not the most... Hey yo, I'm dead. I'm gonna die? No, please. But maybe you're different. Or maybe you're hiding something. I'm hiding from cat. Okay? I'm hiding for that dude and this dude. The system is still deciding what you really are. I'm human. Yeah, I'm human. If I could prove you to that, I will be shocked. Yeah. You want to know the truth? Yes. Kung crush niya ba ako, hindi. Okay. Look at your window. Ayun, may ka na. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Where are you taking me? So, this room, the door, the computer, the house next door. Come on. Oh, please. What? What? Whoa, 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 what happened? Oh, whoa, 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 help, help, guys, help me, help. Oh, guys, bye-bye. For this, for my happy, I can find it for free. Oh, never mind. Both just want to be my freedom. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Yeah.